Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open the camera app and swipe to video mode to start recording quickly. Tap the resolution and frame rate label to choose 4K 60 FPS or 1080p 30 FPS. Enable the grid in settings to apply the rule of thirds for better framing. Turn on exposure lock by holding focus until AE/AF lock appears on screen. Use the volume button or a Bluetooth remote to start recording without touching the screen. Keep the lens clean and steady using a tripod or stable surface for crisp footage. Access settings, camera, record video to pick resolutions like 4K 24 FPS or 60 FPS. Higher resolution and frame rates use more storage. 4K consumes about 375 MB per minute. Use ProRes on compatible models for higher quality but large file sizes and editing needs. Enable HDR video for brighter highlights and deeper shadows in supported scenes automatically. Lock focus and exposure and manually adjust exposure with the slider for consistent looks. Record in landscape with a 16:9 aspect ratio for standard. Plan shots with simple story beats and create a shot list before you record anything. Record audio using an external microphone connected via Lightning or a USB adapter for clarity. Keep clips short and steady, recording multiple takes so you can choose the best one. Backup footage immediately to iCloud or transfer to a computer to free phone storage. Edit with iMovie or third-party apps. Export settings at 4K or 1080p depending on delivery. Review color, stabilization, and sound levels before final export to ensure professional results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.